All right, welcome in everybody. This is Jason, your creator for the TCP SuperSystem. I want to bring you the XRP daily chart. Probably going to be bringing you these updates, maybe not every day, but multiple times a week as we head into October when we expect to see a number of spot ETFs decisions made by the SEC. So hopefully long-term XRP holders, this may end up being a fantastic fourth quarter. But I don't think we're quite there yet, and I want to show you why. And again, this is the system that I've created over 2 to 3 years. It does a fantastic job of identifying opportunity zones, whether we're in an uptrend or downtrend. And we do have some training videos out there, so go view those if you want to. Some of the details in there on the code and other things are no longer relevant, so I will be refreshing those videos because we are taking a little bit different approach now. But what you see is XRP. And on this main indicator, you're going to see the uptrend or the downtrend highlighted by that cloud, and then you're going to see a series of diamonds. On the upside, those will be red. On the downside, they'll be green. Looking for those opportunity zones to make your decision. Caveat: this is not financial advice. We only share our system signals and interpretations for informational and educational purposes only. Investing in crypto is extremely risky. Please consult your advisor. But again, you can see we've come down from around 358 back there in July, mid-July, when we hit that local top. And again, you're going to see these shades of diamonds, right? So you got your light, your mid shade, and your dark shade. Those are what we would call level 1, 2, and 3 opportunity zones. To, in that case, in an uptrend, you would be scaling out. Now, just because you see that doesn't mean you should. You're looking at this uptrend in the green cloud, and as long as that price action's above that top end of that cloud, that's very strong. And then you're going to leverage these hot sensors at the bottom and our standard deviation at the top to try to make more, I guess, try to pinpoint the top as best you can. But right now, what we're seeing as of today, which is September 6th, is a confirmed downtrend in XRP. We're bouncing right around or right off or right around that 100-day support level, which is about 270, 271. So, this is kind of in no man's land. Our hot sensors at the bottom, we're not in an extremely oversold position here. Again, for those that are new to this, there's really 6 shades. You got white, gray, blue, yellow, orange, red. That will apply to the upside and the downside. So right now we've got 2 of the hot sensors on the top side, 1 on the bottom side, and they're white or gray. So we're kind of in no man's land. So you want to watch these support levels, and I have a sneaky suspicion here that going into October with these ETFs and then a potential decrease in rates here in September, I think you might see a short-term shock to the downside, maybe some liquidations, and then you'll see those ETFs come in and potentially see this thing skyrocket. Again, we have heavy positions in XRP. We are a supporter of XRP, but you have to make your own decision. So again, we're watching this 270 level. I wouldn't be shocked to see this thing come on down to about 250, 252, and then we'll see a return to the upside from there. That's what we're watching. Now, is it possible that you get a trend reversal in the meantime? Sure, and that's why we'll be bringing you these every day. Again, I urge you to go watch those training videos. It kind of explains the 3 components here in the standard deviation, the main indicator, and the hot sensors at the bottom, being your short-term, medium-term, and long-term time horizons. So again, you can see when leveraging these things, we really are pretty good at trying to identify the best opportunity zones we can. It's worked tremendously in the past. And again, that's XRP today. So just be careful in these zones. We're right around the support again. So it could go either way. But preparing for October should be extremely exciting times as XRP is transforming the financial system. So we'll see you in the next one. Please like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned to more updates. If you have any particular crypto that you want us to run through our system, please put those down in the comments, and we will try to address those in future videos. Until next time, best trading. We'll see you later.